on a Tivoli, I want to rip out, then you go walk a day at time. You see the whole of them little hungry mongrel the way you have a care the woman busy. Jesus Christ, what a junker like your woman, man. And somehow you coming like one next set of fucking piss pot and shit pot. This woman you don't blood clad no Donna from a kind of bumbo clad paint now go down there and shake and her blood clad with Donna. Wanna make this a woman here with the carry go come and bring down the woman neighbor through somehow on the son here Donna so much the blood clad. Me a couple times well me beat Donna bro. Me put it on me beat Donna a couple times. Me I say yo you Donna done. What do you mean? Stinking more nasty lorraine. What do you mean? He made it down there. And I put my life at risk to help someone ungrateful Jamaican. Me need a cut out of the blood clot money too. You think me a fucking idiot? You think me a bumbo clot fool? If they not get cut out of money, she have to get cut out of money nasty blood clot lorraine. You not take, you know what you will the woman do with the money. Fear cut out of the money, fear cut out of the money, but because the whole out now blind the fuck. From to see how much people she help. I mean, if me clock Donna, one heap of time. Me and the phone now come talk about the pussy wall. Now only can bumbuckle and flick me. Me look like lighter. Me look like lighter. Me and the bumbuckle and lighter. Me talk what me feel. Me and the phone now come talk about so them pay me for this. Oh no ungrateful bumbo wall. When? Me come here so me see what I go on and me talk. Me no get $1. Not even what they want. When I feel like so I want to make me drink Imperial. Oh no buy me one of my roots. One, no, not even a spliff on a bumbo clad buy me. What do you pin me cash up right there? So when me pin me cash, not even $1 me on a count about say get paid. Pussy wall, I mean the blood clad jury execution and the judge boy. When me see some topic I go on, I just beat off a beat like suckled lorraine. When the bumbo clad you take up the woman business for your bumbo clad because you have two people like a couple news come give you nasty woman. All of the world want to be bumbo clad than have thief money. Alright? Well, I don't go do that to go find people for sending a bumbo clad money. Me wouldn't have blood clad do it than I do if me not get money out of it. I don't give a fuck what no one blood clad say. She's supposed to, if she take her money get done, man, if she a crucify, if she and God go reason about that. If she a ramp with God that if it done a business, me never hear Donna cause a bad word yet, me never hear Donna do none of that yet, me G. You see me I say? So someone not come talk about so now bring down people and show people the light to see woman and get some money. Someone a bad mind enough. If you don't get the money down there, nah get enough for so no cause stinking pussy lorraine. Lorraine go clean up a nasty blood clot infection where you have underneath you. You need to go drip some of the infection water that will drain out from under you in a stinking Ashanti mouth. Make it clean up in leptospirosis where blood clot take over in gums. Dirty boy. Your bumbo clot mouth kind of chamber nasty like every blood clot corner in a Brooklyn dirty boy. You must resemble blood clot New York City with your chaka blood clot self. Me see you know one blood clot care where you borrow people can't keep boy you talk about me pussy hole. Thinking boy you need to go take off that brown bad color bumbo clot sitting the way you have and you look moldy, frozy and stink. Enough you care have a blood clot outstanding bumbo clot odor. Smell like underneath lorraine stinking bumbo hole. Me you not come talk about say me get where? I know me not get a bumbo clot that if you slap too much shot in on a bumbo clot piss pot. All on no more think and nurse in a bumbo clot. You want the whole of the zoo with the Maxfield down at Tivoli and the whole of them nasty lorraine. The time when them a carry bumbo clot down the news, I couldn't not come carry with all of the good with the woman down there blood clot though. I payment to not about. What do pay me then? Bumbo clot. Fuck it. Seems to not blood clot about payment. What do pay me? Pay a bumbo clot me. Slam couple shot in your blood clot face, nasty lorraine. Thinking blood clot. Fussy hole, dirty lorraine. Yo, I slam some shot in your bumbo clad face. To them, let me show you, see if you go mind your own chaka blood clot business. Dirty girl. Thinking girl. Move your dirty blood clot from here, so. Move your dirty pussy clot from here, so. Dirty girl. You know, me Latino, me bumbo clot that. You know me? Because me hear the whole of you come talk about say. Them pay me, you know. And you see, true, me not get no money for it. And my sister, well, I don't want to pay me. You no pay blood clot me. You no pay me. Dirty Lorraine. True, them down there hungry. I want it 2 or 3 little Yankee bumbo clot dollar where you little desperate blood clot want. Figure out so you can come vlogging at the bumbo clot industry. Vlogging industry call you so good, girl. In pussy hole, someone who well want blood clot give out and give out, and want kick out. Thinking Lorraine, you monkey, goat, cow, the whole blood clot zoo. The whole zoo of blood clot, oh no. Yes, Donna thief. Yes, Donna give you gun money. Yes, Donna, yes. The whole of did blood clot, no. But one time Donna start telling you no for your money, the whole of get vexed. I want to come over here to come put propaganda all kind of sitting. The whole of did good with the blood clot woman before you start carry all kind of blood clot news. To stop getting see money. What the whole of about? Yeah, man. Donna this. Donna blood clot. That the whole of did I get out of the blood clot thief in money. All of did I get out there, but you can't get in no more now. You start called thinking Lorraine. Where you come from, dirty girl? Why you not clean up your chaka bumbo clot house? You want to fix it in the industry? You want to sit and fix in the blood clot industry, girl? Go and go fix the blood clot man them when I want you. Me pussy clot. I can't hold you the me. Clot drunker. Yo, I one thing I tell you, me don't believe in some of the people, dirty people, you know. All the nasty bumbo clot Lorraine. You want a man tapping in your bumbo clot face. Some of them don't know blood clot, not get to look a second and news them. Or look third and bumbo clot news them. And I come pollute the blood clot internet with them. When Donna did I do, when did I do? Who make no phone never did blood clot talk? Eh? What me could never call slack hole, them the blood clot time there. All of a sudden, the whole of the blood clot emerge in the fucking media. Whole of the emerge like fucking drunk crap. So no one vlog, bring people business, come drop on people like, oh no!
Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy. Oh, me blood clot, oh no. All I want to see, boy, the media, all I want to turn vlogger so I feel like say, if you go get propaganda on people, blood clot business, come right here so come talk about no credible. You no come like body blood clot mix up. You no go search out people brief and panty draw. For bumbo clot, get news. If you can tell lie on people. You want the whole bumbo clot zoo. They put the woman name. When everybody has said Donna wicked, do not say no. So all of a sudden Donna wicked now. How Donna blood clot wicked now? So you stop get the teeth in money. So you stop get the teeth in money now. Some of them same people who are called chaka whole Lorraine. Lorraine didn't have nothing foreign to do. Look for the epidemic who are going chaka dirty blood clot girl. The day you call this a big bumbo clot brief watcher ya. Thinking nasty cranny mouth blood clot Ashanti. Boy you name Ashanti like Jarula fuck in your mouth. It take a real batty man if you call yourself Ashanti, you know, girl. So good girl. Big old Ashanti. Ashanti you all stink like. You all stink like Vegas mouth when I use a gear head dirty man. Me bumbo clot. Only me call him not to get vexed too, you know. Me bumbo clot. Come here, me tell you that something. I'm tired of this blood clot. I need to go back to the days I wish for me I catch up my blood clot phone. Because all of them are sitting here, I get on top of my bumbo clot nerve. That you want to screw up. That I need a fucking chair to continue to screw up with bumbo clot pan. You see what I say? My pussy clot that dark, me get fucking dark. My pussy clot. My pussy. Me bumbo clad. Me pussy. Sure. Jesus. Yeah, Shanti, you want to know, I'm buy him clothes, huh? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Me and the whole of them must say me get paid. Pay me bumbo clad. Not one will never give me a fucking dollar. I see me sister on a blood clot gang Donna and me I say, boy, fight and I look fear. This fight don't look fear a bumbo clad. Because if Donna a thief, well, me hear everybody I said Donna a thief. All of them a blood clot thief. Every fucking one of them a blood clot thief. You see like how me need pay right now, Lorraine, since I said them pay me, let me see it go. What you are doing for Lorraine? What are the vendetta where you have against blood clot, Miss Donna? I know you can't say it. All you say you have all kind of credible source. Where you get source from one time the place upon no movement? You're not supposed to move, but you have people that move and I find Donna business. I can give you so you can come on the internet, come vlog. So you know say the woman have how much in 1,000 followers and views. You want to come down here so now you go against Donna so you can get blood clot views. You want to come turn one more mama in a blood clot social media. Hey pack! Social media bumbo clot pack. Over your pack up mama. No more pussy clot space no left over here. Especially if you blood clot you, the rat goat and pussy clot dog them. Where you have a bumbo clot call you. No more space no there so for you. You and chaka mouth blood clot. I said yes say man want some clothes. The time when you take company internet to bring down Donna, you can't buy a couple $12 pack of t-shirts and go give this man. You can't buy a couple Ian's shirt in a Walmart. Go get the chaka mouth, man. You can't buy one of the blood clot Listerine with the double fusion to clean out the leptospirosis out I thinking man mouth. Look how the man mouth a frat and a sod. Every day you get up with the whole blood clot zoo. Every bumbo clot minute you get up. You sick people bumbo clot too much. So you feel like Mr. Vegas a fucking in your mouth. You feel like you have talk, boy, yeah? You think you have some kind of social media bribe. A369. So you have blood clot Vegas a 69 in our one another mouth. On the thing say you have some social media. You think you're Kim Kardashian, boy, yeah? A365. A365, you think say you're blood clot, some kind of household wife of social media, big stinking girl. Every day you get up on the woman name. Now you beg donation too much time you beg donation and not give you all like money pussy hole. Well, just show us that I get more donation down. What? Make you man get the donation, come here take money too. I with the bumbuck like there coming up perfect. Me look like me a bumbuck like Jesus. In pussy hole, you see me a heal nobody? You see me a bumbuck like and blind people? You fool? Eh? Me hungry too. Donna that Jamaica. Jamaica people, they're hungry. So I'm to Donna more. Donna no want to say, yeah, there. There is no way me a blood clot look so much healthy allow now me not get a percentage out of it. Me half to get. Don't give a fuck. Call me what the fuck you will. Bex on the Bex. Because for no donation, they want to get to no can't get no profitable bumbuckler profit out of it. And be a fucker money. So you know, sister, then I count out one hefty sum. On the Bex, because you can't get none of that for thieves. So I'm like, well, you suck out on the blood clot, mother. Suck out on the mother. Because someone wishing I get some donation. If you take out a $20-25 out of blood clot each. Well, and suck out on the mother. You know, say people want to donate to Donna, they still, after one time, they say Donna do all of the goods and rare. Suck on the mother about the people them now get the thing them. We see it live. One time she called them on camera and dish out some food. So she hold back some food for herself, food for them at the blood clot house. How the house are going to maintain the food not there? Go and go suck out on the mother. Tell you for no money, Lorraine mouth stink. And you stink dirty woman, you need to go deal with your priorities them in a blood clot foreign. Because Lorraine, you good and even live good at foreign. You there take up people business for your blood clot and you're ground up, you bitch. Your blood clot ground up or you're drunk. Which one of them can fly you fly boy you're in a dirty girl? Eh? You come like one bumbo clot, Peter shit. And nobody not ready to go blood clot toilet and you open your blood clot system for we shit tonight. And we never ask you nothing. What we ask you, Lorraine, we no contact what you are do. What you are do? What you are do to get all of them information here? All kind of people here buy out and send party money to Jamaica for them tell lie. Move your nasty stinking bumbo clot and go away. Because you wish somebody did not send their hard-earned money come blood clot give your teeth to for you go buy blood clot bleaching cream. Nasty girl. Go jump up in your mama like a trampoline suck good girl. Come with some more sitting. Because every blood clot there when me see, who no come with people. This is one you call, that the one that call. All of them people they go around Donna and a beg. Who no come like blind. Every one of them who you see did a beg the same thief in money. And through the woman said no, them a bring her name to. Go away. Lorraine go and go find a blood clot job. Jobless bitch. All blood clot who look like you sell pussy if you live in a year one top sell. Dirty girl. Well, all the company media look blood clot spot. One look spot for this look like blood clot duff cut to your thinking mouth, girl. This look like duff cut. This look like duff cut. Make sure you know. Then I get fear beating them in a social media. And someone who never stop get beaten yet. And someone who can't even take a beating but you know want blood clot views. You can't take the blood clot heat where the views come with suck with Lorraine. Lorraine, your manless no bumbo clot. With your bumbo clot panty shield and full of yellow slime. Dirty girl. Clean up your pussy clot infection where you have under your stinking girl. The day where you get up, boy. Miss Donna and a blood clot Christian. Which one are we a blood clot Christian, boy? No, we are a blood clot Christian. We are work with what we are work with. That we are blood clot too. When you say me a whirly and me a this, me a that, you me tell you if you go suck out and name out on a thinking mama. When you say you can't listen to me because my mouth filthy. Like underneath you no suck with blood clot mama. Yeah, if underneath you no suck with mama filthy, my mouth have a blood clot filthy too. Because no for you see come in a social media about you not try make a difference, so you not do nothing. More than a pick on people with more views than you. That's it. Every day you come now, Lorraine, Donna, you have a next blood clot record. You scratch. Eh? Your blood clot scratch you and this a 3 blood clot 69 yeah. Half of a blood clot man with your frog face and frog voice. Blood clot frog frizzy. You come like blood clot Kermit the blood clot frog. Frogito, Frogita, Frogine, Froggy wo. He's a froggy wo. Big blood clot frog face, frog voice, bumbo hole. With your blood clot frog voice and your frog mouth. Mouth skin up like when time Pitney wear their school shoes too long. What? Thinking mouth, dirty blood clot slimy man. You have blood clot Vegas at 369 and now no blood clot one another mouth all. No can't broke it. Longest 69 and in lifetime. All you thinking blood clot Vegas. Boy, your own career. Post one video. 11,000 views from 1 month ago. Yeah, nobody move your bumbo clot. I can look one spot in a vlog in a pussy hole. We not accept uno. Dirty 360 go buy some blood clot clothes. You know all for raw food, them when you up a blood clot New York and yam. Raw like your stinking mouth. Your mouth smell like down a blood clot. Else you the boat then just come in. Pussy hole. Eh? Your mouth smell like last week catch. Smell like on the stinking Lorraine. And the whole of the farm where they have a blood clot come with. The farm, you have the rat, the pig, the goat. All of them have blood clot significance say. Just because the bag feed and blood clot run out. So no gonna link one another blood clot desperate farmer thinking Lorraine. Lorraine go clean up your STD underneath your stink no bumbo clot. Ain't dirty girl. The blood clot green crevices them will leak out from underneath you. And them if you come on the internet can talk about. And he's up over the woman blood clot back. Because all the blood clot with your teeth. That me I try to tell you. All me tell Donna say admit it. Tell them say you take your little money. Tell them say you have your little percentage out of it. No make it look like you not take. Not all of that. So you see people like sour mouth Lorraine come and talk. Yes! Then I get a percentage out of you. She's supposed to, because she's helping. She's helping you to get help. So you mean, she will get blood clot money to fuck you thinking, Lorraine, and she not get no blood clot money. You dirty girl. And if you even get some money, you still not buy the antibiotic them and take dirty girl. You still not taking blood clot antibiotic them stinking old girl. And then you coming like one blood clot. Hey, you know when I look on to Lorraine, I realize from what day. Just like Eva the one, what you call her teethless? Teethless, no nameless, shameless, painless. What? Yeah, the one that rise against Mr. Handsome, that the whole of the thing could not get a blood clot name in a social media if you come bring down people. I want to get that. Tell me I want to get that pussy hole. Tell me I wish part to really get that. Yeah, man, when you come down in the social media start bring down people, you get beer views. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Bad man, you bad man in a dirty blood clot, girl. Just like teethless. You see a teethless, I kick somebody should have kick in for your stinking mouth. Because I went there when people not good again and I see when I come out in the media about, yeah man, me know a whole heap of things about that there's somebody there, you know, yeah man. That is what, yeah. Una did know a long time. Someone have to wait until you people not good, so till you come in the media and I try bring them down for no one personal gain. Una not try help nobody like call you nasty Lorraine. Somebody did call you bitch. Nobody never call you a bumbuckler or why you're nothing for you. Well, I not try grow a fan base. Well, I not try have careless people. Me see all dirty blood clot. I tell you look like you want blood clot bed and visit a blood clot doctor. You get your juke them for a month yet? You need to go rinse out the dirty blood where you have in your boy. Your blood bad. Your blood bad. You look sick in a bumbuckler like you're a rotten down pussy hole. You look like time in a sun bumbo hole. Look like what your pictures you have in your house, put up a tree, blood clot there, you quail down pussy hole. Go visit a bumbuckler doctor. The time when you try to dig up all kind of poo-poo and doo-doo on the internet, you should have got blood clot. Visit a doctor and see what kind of ailment and ailment you have a rotten down your thinking body. So, because I know say you have AIDS, and I know say you fucking raw and you him raw. You're sick, you two on a blood clot sick. And so you couldn't fuck Mr. Handsome on a blood clot run pan Donna now. Una so one tree some Mr. Handsome. Well what's up Mr. Handsome? Who that show the man in decline on a half or on a ton pan blood clot Miss Donna. Because you have some blood clot, painless, shameless, drunk. Nothing to live for. Not a fucking thing to live for, my boy. And what? You think it's me? What you think it's my God? What you think it's me? What you think it's me? I go agree with none of the fuck with them what I do. Claim to so not help all kind of human beings. But some people, when me see I help people for real, who not try bring them down, I want to help a fucking soul. Somebody need to help blood clot Ashanti if you go get some poison and drink. Somebody need to go help him brush them brown teeth that we have in him blood clot mouth. Pussy will your teeth they resemble NC. And me here see you there in the blood clot party and couldn't even buy one. Broke like buckle to bumbuckler. One amount of raw food. $13 plate of crab legs. No seasoning. Nothing. Pussy will you hungry like. And you have the one whole heap of raw food them. That's why your little mouth so raw. You see me? No, you understand why your mouth have a similar scent like underneath stinking Lorraine. You want down a raw and a bumbuckler smell like octopus. You see what I say? Yeah, man. When you smell like blood clot octopus. Octopusy. You see what I say? Yeah, daddy. So the time now, when one did dead, me do for not about say, yeah, man, didn't get me. Me get no pay. When me see no phone in a blood clot social media, we do no fuckery. Me just come, I'm a beat off a blood clot get beat. Stinking Larry, the way say you did have blood clot sitting if you want. You know, and I say you go about it. When you come like bugger mouse, dirty blood clot girl, and a crab, dirty people, on a be. When you not try help nobody but in a fucking self. Now I see blood clot Larry. The fucking STD way after 15 years now, you're not going to clean up yet. Now I see woman. Go and go clean out for your fucking panty jar them before you go over Donna panty jar, dirty girl. And the time when you did there talk to Ashanti what teeth, the whole of your panty them, your brown front drawers them. Your drawers them brown like Ashanti mouth. Ashanti mouth brown, no bum buckler like picking school shoes. Dirty boy, like your name brown polish, thinking mouth man. You look green and your teeth them brown. Now what kind of symbolization you try blood clot come up with? Eh? You look a bisexual, undercover gay bumbo hole, you. Eh? Every minute, sir. Every minute. Somebody pay me. Somebody this, there. Somebody cash up there. I know. I don't get. I'm going to make sure penny back to them. I show you. I know. I don't see one thing. So you tell me the bumbo clot payment to me get for blood clot this. I don't get a fucking dollar. Much less two. So this is just a beaten courtesy of me to you. Me soon with the one wall of fuckery in the media. Before me defend Uno, me I go defend Donna. Because Donna help blood clot hundreds of people. Me no soon help none. Me soon help bring down people. Go name out my body wall. I shan't hear about brown no bumbo clot. And their teeth root, they look like they are pyro. Dirty man. In pussy hole with the whole like cloud they each up on your mouth corner white no bumbo clot. Mouth corner white like Whistler. Pussy hole. Teeth them brown like my blood clot roots. Pussy. Eh? My blood clot mother hole is so blessed. Me get up and make money every day off of being just myself. What you mean my mother hole no good? My mother hole like best blood clot hole. My soldier brother. My brother a big soldier in the American army. You see me I say my mother hole are the best blood clot hole. You hear that? You not see who come out? Me! Pussy hole I am not a run over, push over nor shove over. Me a bad bumbo clot breed. Come from good seed. Don't fuck yourself boy. Love her with the good pussy right there. Blood clot. Lorraine favor the Grinch who stole blood clot Christmas. Eh, girl? One time I look for you, I want to hide my pitney them present. When I look for you, I want to hide my pitney them blood clot present with your queen jump nose and mouth. Dirty girl. From you see the shape of your mouth, you say you lie. I know why you're nothing for out of your blood clot mouth. Your mouth looks stink and lie. So on level. Move. No, you're nothing for your dirty girl. Just say me get paid. Oh no, me not get paid. Not a day in my blood clot. I'm sick of brother say empty your fuck. Right there, so. See that? I wouldn't lie to you. What the fuck? What the fuck I look like? Lying. Eh? I am just beating the fuck out of you because I can and I will succeed. In beating a filth like bumbuck like you. And that's a whole year and I kick you up in your menopause belly, dirty girl. Eh? Not even a spliff me not get out of a beat out your blood clot. You nor chaka mouth 365. Nor 3 blood clot 69. Because the amount of man who have blood clot fuck and a broke in that thinking mouth there. Your mouth kind of whole semen like dog. Semen does a punch up on your blood clot mouth corner them. Before you got blood clot dentist go check out the blood clot situation. Or you have a go on in your stinking throat. You know your throat look like it have a blood clot infection. Like say you have a blood clot STI in your mouth corner brown and your bumbo. You know, the first me see this still, you know. The man teeth them brown and the mouth corner white. Pussy clot. The man look like say you have a brownie for your mouth infused with bumbo clot white icing. Me bumbo clot. The man mouth chaka you fuck. Chaka mouth. You want somebody piss up and shit up in that thing mouth that we have. Nobody even want to do that because your mouth already resemble shit. It look like that shit water stain your bumbo clot teeth them. So every time you open your little mouth and you hear like a frog voice, you can see whole like dirtiness in New York in your mouth. Not even train blood clot station them in New York not dirty like your mouth. And when you look, not even big thinking rat them want run up and down in a subway. Not dirty like your mouth. Me say when the rat then see for your bumbo clot mouth, them ball because they see their natural habitat. And then can't even run go in. Move! I'm going to clean up your sour suck with blood clot mouth. The amount of blood clot come where you stay in your blood clot lungs and your throat. And that you have to penetrate. I'm going to penetrate. So Lorraine is an old dirty bow, long time bow as just a sell fuck like dog. Eh? Just a sell beer blood clot fucked up cell pa you know you want to release your blood clot all over stress from blood clot Donna. In Lorraine? But clean up your STD boomer. Antibiotic they hate you. Fucking bitch. You're in the whole of the zoo where I call you rat, cow, dog, puss. Every blood clot one of them. Me not even know say Jamaica have such a zoo. Me not even know. Me never know. Say zoo that Jamaica them blood clot brawling way there. Ain't dirty girl. Eh? You just want to be seen, Lorraine. You want to be seen. You want people to rate you. Nobody not rate your thing cool. Nasty old. Nobody not rate you. You know nobody vlogger boy. You will rate Donna. If you say Donna thief and wicked, me only have one space for thief and wicked in my heart. So Donna get it. Yes, Donna. You get the thief and wicked of the year in my heart. Then, me not have no other acceptance speech for no other thief and wicked so Lorraine. Me never didn't know say you exist, bitch. Somehow the world want to be seen so much. Wow, tune on this vlogging. And this is new way for boss. Everybody want blood clot boss. And sure, when you hear someone come money and make over here, the whole of just come on ready. Someone don't have no talent, the only thing you know have to go collect people business like STD. All you do is go collect people business. I come here, boss, and you know this for the 1 year, yeah. I call over thinking 369 and see what chaka mouth have to say about this. I wonder if chaka mouth knows some know this. Hey, chaka mouth, you know say this is one. Your frothy mouth, let me tell you something, frothy mouth. Yeah, your mouth a frat. Your mouth a frat, nyam fuck. Your mouth a frat like a dog. And that you figure blood clot talk about. And if you go talk about Lorraine with the any infection and she have on there we can't well. Dirty girl. So if I thief and wicked and I said Donna is, I will take Donna for 100, please. Yeah. Donna, thief and wicked, we help hundreds of Jamaica build couple house. Yes, that thief and wicked for move on a bomb clot. Somehow you know worth nothing more than a blood clot kicking on a stinking mouth. Big up Miss Bombo Clot Donna. Cause if she a thief and wicked and I help so much people, she need for wicked and thief some more. So some more people can get help. Fuck you, nasty Lorraine. Dirty girl can't even buy a pad. Fuck you. You know all of the blood clots who bring news can give you puss, rat, cat, dog. Every bumbo clot minute is a different animal. You say they on your phone and give you blood clot news. Where them pet you get them and them news you from? Where them your unwanted bumbo clot pestration you come from? Which part the whole of them your name fuck you come from? Tell me. Alright, Mr. Lorraine, you see the one Donna. You know, me to get 700,000. I'm not supposed to take 100,000 for yourself, but I don't want to tell nobody, because I don't want to say no. Move your bumbo clot. I bring people pussy clot news because I don't want money. Hungry, I kill you somehow, no. So now bring the woman name for money. Pussy hole. You not going to bring the woman name for fucking money. So good. You know, I go bring the woman name. Yeah, man, Miss Donna. Yeah, man, Miss Donna. Yo. Move your bumbo cloud for here, so. We done say alright. When I say Donna thief and wicked, we accept her. Yeah, we want all up under one thief and wicked. So one thief and wicked there. Yeah, man, we're going to work with them. I feel like a girl. We're going to work with mama and mama think tough. You see what I say? A Donna that. You see what I say? Who Donna? Donna. Miss Donna. Bumbo cloud, brown mouth. You make me feel a way drinking my roots. Come here wonder if your lily water this. Come in, I see your blood clot lily water look brown in a pussy hole. With them the bumbo clot shoes polished teeth the way you have in a for your blood clot mouth. Like some of the part they teeth them and color them with blood clot shit. It look like shit plaster all over your blood clot teeth them. And then whole heap of cum stain just there in your mouth corner. See your mouth look very stink. Lock it now. Lock your fucking latrine now. Your latrine now want lock. Eh? Eh? Lorraine, you see next news if your car come right there, sir? Tell us how we need you. Cause we fucking don't. Hmm? All Tina Chin. You. This is all fucking Jezebel here. Here amount of years now where this is a fucky old bitch here there in a fucking social media. You have to wonder what Tina Chin still a do here. Remember one time I beat Tina Chin said she report all my page because that's all that the word they good for, you know. You see all them the unwanted pestilent there, all them do are take people man when I want them. Remember in Tina Chin you did take somebody husband for 17 years. And I laugh up in a woman's face. And when time the woman find out, the man have to throw you out like a dog. You know remember? Bro, he dirty girl, hide and take man. You can't come in a social media contact Tina Chin. Tina Chin, you're not nobody. I years now everybody knows say you're not nobody. More than you is a over blood clot rated whore. Unwanted bitch. A pestilent dog shit. Courage the cowardly blood clot dog. Hey girl, fucky old blood clot woman. The amount of pussy where you walk and a dash Tina Chin, all people's business still a trouble you. You need to go find a man who want blood clot stay with the unwanted blood clot crutches. Every minute when I want to find out that people name of relevance in a social media who want to make bumbo clot trouble. Especially you fuck out Tina Chin. No, you know, sister, not even people man know why you. Move your unwanted blood clot and go invest in some blood clot deal with a blow up man. Dirty girl. Invest in a one robot for come fuck in your whole long time, bitch. That you need for blood clot because social media now have you. All long time retirement prostitute. Nobody don't want you over here. We did not call you. We never send for you, bitch. We never send for you. You not help nobody. Somehow we don't want because education. You suck it like dog. Yes, but I have a degree in making people fuck me in my body. In your body hole you take be a fuck. Shut your fuck out, mouth. And big up on Donna. Yes, we are going to go and hold up under one thief there. Yes, big up Michelle White. Ah, Michelle, big up yourself. Michelle, make sure you send me something on the cash up. Jesus Christ. Yeah, Michelle, big up yourself, Michelle. Ja, big up yourself, Michelle, I swear. Big up yourself, man, straight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, daddy. Yeah. Big up yourself, Michelle. Nina. Yeah. Lorraine, I feel good. I got $20. I beat out your ass for $20 fucking dollars. I get some fuck with this again. You get some lick. A while I got beat out your bumbo clot. I'm Miss Donna. I know you can't watch them breed of excitement that want going over here, but Mr. Donna go on good. Because then fratty mouth people and dirty soddy mouth people have to go all of blood clot sit down. You see what I say? Yes, I. Big up on yourself. You understand me I say? I make sure you want to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel and them look how weird they is. You see me I deal with? And remember, this is TVJ News brought to you by Pretty fucking Don. You understand me I deal with? Yes. So 369 and your boyfriend Gagas. Let me see who you're gonna take set on now, you filthy whores. You understand what I say? You know what I say? Loving a life, bro. Big up yourself, Miss Donna. Miss Donna. Big up yourself, Miss Donna. You see what I say? Somebody tag so good Tina Chin there for me. Before me cut there. Hold on. Tina Chin, me not like you long time because you are you are where Miss Kitty are gonna turn out to be in a life. All retirement long time or we say we have education. Because if I girl have education, I don't know a man a come home to at night time. You don't know a man who have blood clot request. You don't know Facebook. Tina Chin, you could never be Facebook, you have no request. You see me I say? You pay a man for fucking a face stinking hole, you know. You understand me? So everything will go and trouble you because it's a long time retirement dog shit. All retirement prostitute whore. You that for your fuck now sell for more than a fucking penny. It's a penny your blood clot get for the fuck. You see what I'm saying? Bitch. So nobody Come on now, whore. Come on, bitch. No bother with that, man. You are the blood clot reason. If I saw education, look, me no want it. Glad me did skip out on the part of your school. You crazy? Educated blood clot or like you and Kitty who no drunk crow. All who no good for do a run up on a cocky sucking breath. That's it. Every talk on a talk, people balls are liquid in our face. On a lock on a dick suckers, man. On a chat too much and too fuck out and worrying for love talk. All your dirty Lorraine. Walk a clean up foreign with your mouth and your dirty hole. Continue clean up foreign with your stinking hole and your long throat dirty girl. And come over the woman name with your long time stinking hole. Bitch. I don't like me fucking weed. Every time I have to like me weed, remember what a whole long time dirty whore you be stinking Tina Chin. Tina Chin is a unwanted whore when nobody never sent for you, but you ever come like somebody knock by your door. Bitch, none of we don't knock by your blood clot door. You can't stay in your fucking dirty roost. You see what I say? Because your cat never crew and say your roost half dirty. You see what I say? Dirty Tina Chin. From coming and vlogging, you been the whore where always I make the most nice. You was a whole long time retiree whore. You know if you go cool your hole now, go rest your walls, bitch. Go rest the walls in your blood clot hole. The walls in your pussy tired of you. Dirty girl, repeat your walls in my ball. I say, please. Why you give us cancer? Mine dirty pussy clot girl. Mine. Mine. Every minute you get up and somebody fi bum buckle rare.